For these problems, find the zero that corresponds to each factor. Okay, so remember, if this is a factor, you just set it equal to 0, right? So I'll do number 14. 10x minus 9 equals 0. And then I would just solve. 10x equals 9 divided by 10. So x equals 9 over 10. If you wanted to write that in decimal form, it would be x equals 0.9. I prefer fractions because they're always exact. I don't have to involve rounding. So x equals 9 over 10 is my answer to 14. Now, if I wanted to go backwards, right, what would you do to go backwards? That's really what these questions are all about. So you can do 11 through 15. Going backwards, what would I do to go backwards, right? So going backwards, let's take this number right here. Going backwards, I'm really just taking this, but I want to get that 8 out of the denominator, so I'd multiply both sides by 8, right? So then I'd end up with 8x equals negative 3, right? And then I want to get this side equal to 0, so I'd add 3 to both sides. So 8x plus 3 equals 0, right? So see how I just went backwards? It was like, hey, get rid of that, right? So that's all I did here. I got rid of what was in the denominator by multiplying on both sides. I got rid of what was on this side by adding to get 0. So here is the factor that would correspond to that 0.